Hello, good morning, and welcome. The headline here says Ultimate Love Chrisville and Chris gains attention as they argue on who loves each other more. Nigerians have taken to their respective social media accounts to join Chris and Chrisville as they argue who love each other more. The co-finalists of the just concluded TV reality show, Chris took to his Instagram account and dropped a mind-blowing message from his love on how he falls in love with her despite forming a hard guy initially. Chrisville, while sharing a beautiful photo of Chris, says, "Hi my DC Army and Pineapple family, let me share this message with you guys. The truth is, the love story is when you fall in love with the most unexpected person at the most unexpected place and time. When love hits you, it hits you hard and pierces your heart so deep to its depths. Chris, I know being your first love would have great, but being your last is beyond perfection. I'll choose you over and over and over without pause and without a doubt. When love happens, you won't even know. I dey form hard guy now, love don fall my hand. It's TBT, please look at my sweet pineapple," he added. Then he shared a pics of Chris. The show did not end there as Chris also took to her Instagram account as well and replied Chrisville in her own way. Chris, while pouring her love for the only man that has loved her unconditionally, shared photos of Chrisville and said, "This is my Jide. I woke up to see people asking me to come on Instagram and I did only to find your sweet words. My pineapples, let me confess, oh, I jumped on his lips, throwing away my phone. Jide, you are mine too, and God confirmed His words with you even with people's doubts. It was my earth part and I kept believing, and that was enough for me. To all who are expectant of blessings from God, trust Him. Lean not in your own understanding, lean not on man's judgment and doubt. Be the judge of your own happiness. Give out love and watch it as it comes back to you," Chris says so. Then she shared a pics of Chrisville. "Honestly, listening to what Chrisville and Chris said might drive you to start searching for your life partner, to start loving and caring for each other. The love our potential couples have shared so far did not start now. It already started before they left the love part. Chris and Chrisville has really shown and proved that true love still exists irrespective of all odds. Their love stories also has shown that God's time is always the best, and what is written is written. If Chris can still smile despite all that she went through at the love part, then nobody should give up on God because He will surely open the door one day." Reacting to what Chris and Chrisville shared, their fans reacted so positively with lots of love and prayers. Others were in the opinion that this is the sweetest thing so far. Alright guys, enjoy the comments, and don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to click to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop.